Hi everyone, welcome to my another video. Today we are going to learn and write colors name in English and Hindi. The first color is red, R-E-D, red. Red means laal. Number second, green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Green means Hara. Number third, blue, B L U E, blue. Blue means Neela. Number fourth, yellow. Y E L L O W. Yellow. Yellow means Peela. Number fifth, orange. O R A N G E. Orange. Orange means Narangi. Number six, pink. P I N K. Pink. Pink means Gulabi. Number seventh, brown. B R O W N. Brown. Brown means bhura. Number eighth, black. B L A C K. Black. Black means kala. Number ninth, V O I L E T. Violet. Violet means Bengani. Number 10th, white. W H I T E. White. White means सफेद. चलिए एक बार और रिपीट करते हैं. Red. Red means लाल. Green. Green means हरा. Blue. Blue means नीला. Yellow. Yellow means पीला. Orange. Orange means नारंगी. Pink. Pink means गुलाबी. Brown. Brown means भूरा. Black. Black means काला. Violet. Violet means बैंगनी. White. White means सफेद. Thanks for watching.